Hi there, I'm Miss Tola. I'm here to teach you something new and interesting in mathematics. Welcome to the new world of numbers, shapes, and all the beautiful things that you can find in the exciting world of mathematics. In this lesson, we will learn about scales, ratios, and proportions. If you're thinking about becoming an architect, a structural engineer, a designer, or anything that makes you compare things by reducing or enlarging them, then scales, ratios, and proportions are important things you need to learn about in mathematics. They're quite interesting too. Let's start with ratios. A ratio between two or more quantities is a way of measuring their size compared to each other. For example, if a school has 20 teachers and 500 pupils, the ratio of teachers to students is 20 to 500, which is written as 20:500. Also, you can make it simpler and divide them by 20, which equals to 1 to 25 or 1:25. Just like there are different ways of writing a fraction, there are many ways of writing a ratio. The first term is called antecedents. ANTECEDENT. And the second term is called consequent. 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 Ratio has no units of measurement. Ratios are used in everyday life and can help you work out problems, including scale drawings and reading maps. They can be used on maps to show the scale when compared to real life. Well, that was quite simple and clear, right? Great. Now let's talk about scale drawing. In a scale drawing, all dimensions, that is, the height, length, and width, have been reduced by the same proportion. Let's use an example here. A model boat is a sample of a real-life boat. It is made to a scale of 1 to 20. This scale can be applied to any unit. So 1 millimeter measured on the model is 20 millimeter on the real-life boat. 1 centimeter measured on the model is 20 centimeter on the real boat. This also means that the measurement of the actual boat is 0 times more than that of the model boat. Let's think about this example further. So here is a question for you. If the 1 to 20 model boat is 50 centimeter wide, how wide is the actual boat? Now, here is the answer. The scale is 1 to 20. This means that every 1 centimeter on the model is equivalent to 20 centimeter on the actual boat. The mathematical symbol for equivalent is this. 1 centimeter on the model is equivalent to 20 centimeter on the real boat. So because 15 times 20 is 300, 50 centimeter on the model boat is equivalent to 300 centimeter on the real-life boat. How was that? Impressive, right? Great. So, where does all this fit when we think about scale drawing? Let's find out then. A scale drawing is a drawing that shows a real object with accurate sizes, reduced or enlarged by a certain amount. The amount is called the scale. Look at this horse, for example. It's about 1.5 meters high, or 1,500 millimeter and 2 meters long, or 2,000 millimeter. But look at its scale drawing. The drawing is at a ratio of 1 to 10. This means that the dimensions of the real horse is 10 times larger than the dimensions of the drawn horse. So, the drawn horse measures 150 millimeter high and 200 millimeter wide. In other words, the drawing has a scale of 1:10. So anything drawn with a size of 1 would have a size of 10 in the real world. So a measurement of 150 millimeter on the drawing would be 1500 millimeter on the real horse. What an interesting lesson, right? Now, let us remind ourselves about some of the things we have learnt. A ratio between two or more quantities is a way of measuring their sizes compared to each other. B. In a scale drawing, all the dimensions, that is, the height, length, and width, have been reduced by the same proportion. C. A scale drawing is a drawing that shows a real object with accurate sizes reduced or enlarged by a certain amount. Great! Before we finish off here, let me ask you a few questions. This will help me know how well you got on in the lesson. Are you ready? Alright. 1. What are ratios? That is great! A ratio is a way of measuring the sizes of things when they are compared side by side. 2. What is a scale drawing? That is excellent! A scale drawing is a drawing that shows a real object with accurate sizes reduced or enlarged by a certain amount. I hope you learned new things in the lesson. I learned new things too. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!